Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So I've got another flat twist style for you guys today. So I'm going to be starting off on previously washed hair. I think I washed my hair about 4 days ago, and as you can still see, I still have some products in my hair, and I've been able to maintain moisture for the past 3 or 4 days or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel my hair, and then I'm just going to comb it all out before we start our flat twist style. So then the next thing that I did was just to section my hair off into 3 sections. So the next thing I did was to start flat twisting the middle section. So then I started from the one side of my head all the way around my head until I finished off on the other side, which was on the right hand side. So with the bottom section, I continue to do the flat twist the same way once again, but then I'm doing it in an upwards direction so that we can close the gap with the flat twist above it. So now that I'm done with the flat twist at the bottom, I'm just going to pin them aside together at the front. Then we're just going to move on to the next section on top. And so what I did at the top, I sectioned off my hair into 4 lines. I think that's what I ended up with. Then I just started to flat twist as well. I'm not even gonna lie, my arms were burning at this point, like I was on fire. So as you can see with this flat twist, well, I don't know what actually happened there. I don't think it was tight enough, and my arms were already burning as well. So then what I did was, once I did the last one, I had to go to the bathroom so that I could actually like see myself like in the bathroom mirror and just redo it properly. So then once I was done fixing that flat twist by the mirror, I came back to the camera, and then this is basically what we have going on. Then the next thing that I did was just to pin the flat twists down, and before pinning them down, I just like twisted them like towards the end just to make it more tighter and more firm, and then I pinned them down into place. And as I was pinning them down, I was trying to get it to look like a swirling motion, or like a swirling shape, if that makes sense, but you'll see towards the end if it's not clear right now. And then just to tidy up the perimeter of my hair, I took my spray bottle with aloe vera and water. Then I just sprayed that on the perimeter of my hair, and then I just smoothed my hair down with a little bit of some castor oil in my fingers just to neaten up my hair. So this is the finished look, ladies. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. It was a bit tricky for me at some point, but overall I think it turned out quite well. And yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you do like my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment on my videos. Thank you. Bye.